If your backyard has been begging for a serious upgrade, this might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Today on Lived In Reviews, we're taking a real lived-in look at the AMERLIFE Classic 10-foot by 12-foot solid wood hardtop patio gazebo. And I have to say, from the moment this thing went up, it completely changed the way we use our outdoor space. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether this gazebo deserves a spot in your backyard or not. Let's start. The AMERLIFE Classic Gazebo is a freestanding hardtop structure made from spruce wood. And not just any spruce wood. All the wood used in this build is fumigation-certified, which means it's been treated to resist pests and moisture from the very start. The frame is solid, the beams are thick, and when you're standing underneath it, you genuinely feel like you're in a permanent structure, not something that's going to wobble every time the wind picks up. Weather resistance and build quality. Speaking of wind, one of the first things I looked into before buying this was weather performance, and the AMERLIFE holds up well. The frame is designed to pass both wind and load tests, and every single screw in this kit has gone through salt spray testing for corrosion resistance. That's not a small detail. Anyone who's had a cheaper outdoor structure rust out after one rainy season knows exactly why that matters. The hardware on this gazebo is built to last through real weather, not just sunny weekend afternoons. Installation is where a lot of people get nervous with a structure this size. And I want to be honest with you about what to expect. AMERLIFE says 4 people can get this done in about 3 to 4 hours. And in our experience, that's pretty accurate. As long as you read the instructions carefully and have the right tools on hand. The instructions are clear and the process is logical. But this is not a solo project. You need at least 3 or 4 sets of hands, especially when you're lifting the roof panels into place. The pillars anchor directly into the ground using expansion screws, which means you do need a hard, level surface. Concrete or a solid patio is the requirement here. If you're thinking about putting this on grass or gravel, this is not the right fit. But on a proper concrete pad, once it's anchored down, it is not going anywhere. Design and aesthetics. Now let's talk about the design, because this is honestly one of the things that sets the AMERLIFE apart from a lot of gazebos in this price range. The combination of warm spruce wood and the iron-accented hardtop gives it a look that feels intentional and elevated. Not like something you just threw together from a big box store. There are top hooks built right into the structure for hanging string lights or lanterns, which is such a thoughtful touch. The first evening we sat under this with cafe lights strung up. It genuinely felt like a different backyard. It transforms the space in a way that's hard to fully appreciate until you're actually in it. Who is this for? So who is this gazebo perfect for? Honestly, it's ideal for homeowners who want a semi-permanent outdoor living area that actually looks beautiful, not just functional. If you entertain guests, host family dinners outside, or just want a dedicated spot to decompress after work, this structure delivers that experience. It's also great for anyone who's been putting off upgrading their patio because they didn't want to deal with a complicated build. The installation process, while it requires help, is genuinely manageable for a non-professional. Now for the honest part, because that's what Lived In Reviews is all about. There are a couple of things you should know going in. First, anchoring and mounting materials are not included in the box. So you'll need to budget for expansion screws and any concrete anchors specific to your surface. That's a cost most reviewers gloss over, and I don't want you to be surprised on installation day. Second, the size. 10 by 12 feet is generous, but you do need to measure your space carefully before ordering. This is a substantial structure, and it needs room to breathe. And third, as I mentioned, soft or uneven ground is a hard no. This is a hardtop, load-bearing structure, and the safety and stability of the whole thing depends on a firm, level foundation. On the pro side, the build quality is genuinely impressive for the price point. The fumigation-certified wood, the corrosion-resistant hardware, the solid iron top, the smart design details like the hanging hooks. All of it reflects a product that was designed by people who actually thought about how it would be used in real life. It's the kind of structure that adds real value to your property, not just your weekends. At the end of the day, the AMERLIFE Classic 10 by 12 hardtop patio gazebo earns a strong recommendation from us here at Lived In Reviews. It's well built, it looks fantastic, and it turns any outdoor space into somewhere you actually want to spend time. If you're ready to stop just owning a backyard and start actually living in it, This is a great place to start. If this review helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel more than you might think. If you're new here, subscribe to LivedInReviews because we do exactly this. Honest, real-world reviews of the products that make your home worth living in. And drop a comment below. I want to know, are you team wood gazebo? Or do you prefer something different for your outdoor space? We read every single comment and love hearing from you. We'll see you in the next one.